In this video, I'll be showing you how to use keyboard and mouse on iPad. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, connecting an external hub and mouse to your iPad transforms the tablet into a highly functional desktop workstation. And thanks to native iPad OS pointer support, you can link your peripherals either wirelessly via Bluetooth or directly using a physical hub. So what you can go ahead and do, if the keyboard and mouse are wireless, you can sync them up instantly through your settings app. So place both your keyboard and mouse into their respective pairing or discovery modes, then open up your iPad settings and then connect via Bluetooth. And then what you could also do is the wired route using a USB hub. So grab a multi-port USB-C hub or an Apple Lightning to USB adapter if you're using an older iPad model. Plug everything in, so just connect the USB cables, for your mouse and keyboard straight into the hub's open slots. Then plug the main hub connector directly into your iPad's charging port. The integrated drivers will instantly recognize both input devices with no extra software required. Then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.